1. Download the V380 Pro app from the Play Store.
Camera is starting. Please wait. Connecting.
2. Reset the CCTV camera by pressing the reset button and wait for the voice notification confirming that the reset is complete.
Reset completed. Camera is restarting.
3. Wait for the camera to restart completely.
Camera is starting. Please wait.
4. Scan the QR code on the camera and wait for the connection.
Bluetooth is ready. Please scan the QR code on the camera and wait for the connection.
5. Open the app and tap the plus button to add a new camera. 6. Scan the QR code on the camera. 7. Tap Add Device Though. 8. Enter your preferred device name. 9. Tap View Device to check the live feed. 10. Save the device's QR code to your phone for future reference. 11. Go to Settings on your phone and connect to the cameras. Wi-Fi hotspot start in MV. Sample MV98786. 12. Return to the app. 13. Tap Activate Device. 14. Now you can view your camera in hotspot mode. 15. Note, this setup is for hotspot mode only. If you want to connect your camera to Wi-Fi, check out my next video, How to Connect the Camera to the Internet or in a Router. Click here